Emar, nature.
Listen and write true or false.
Air has many gases, especially oxygen. Water is a clear, colorless liquid necessary for the life of most animals and plants. Water covers a large part of the Earth's surface. Fire produces heat and light and often smoke.
Listen and circle.
1. The moon, volcano. 2. Mountain, stars. 3. Flower, the earth. 4. The sun, rainbow.
Ask and answer. Practice with your partner a similar conversation. Sammy, what do you do at the weekend? Faiz, I go on a picnic to enjoy nature. S, oh great. Sammy, oh great. Who do you go with? Faiz, I go with my family. Sammy, what do you usually do? Faiz, we usually see plants and animals. We run after butterflies. Sammy, I really like nature. Faiz, would you like to go with us? Sammy, yes, thank you.
Pronunciation.
They, them, their. Thunder, thin. 3.
Look and say, the moon changes his shape through month. The stars bright and shine at night. The butterflies fly in spring between flowers. Active volcano throws lava and dust. Mountains consist of rocks and stones. Before you read, guess what the text is about. Air, water, plants, animals.
What is the environment? By this question, our biology teacher started the lesson. The natural environment consists mainly of air, water, and plants. It includes everything we see around us like trees, plants, flowers, animals, and birds. The environment provides us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. We are a part of it, so we must keep it clean. We must put the rubbish in the bins, not on the ground. We must plant trees and water them. We mustn't cut the trees down to keep our wonderful nature safe.
What is the environment? By this question, our biology teacher started the lesson. The natural environment consists mainly of air, water, and plants. Includes everything we see around us, like trees, plants, flowers, animals, and birds. The environment provides us with the air we breathe and water we drink and food we eat. We are a part of it. So we must keep it clean. We must put the rubbish in the bins, not on the ground. We must plant trees and water them. We mustn't cut the trees down to keep our wonderful nature safe. Choose. The environment consists of everything we see around us. 2. The environment provides us with the air that we breathe. We must keep water clean. The word wonderful means great. Fill in the spaces. The environment consists of air, water, and plants. We are a part of this environment. We mustn't throw rubbish on the ground. We must water plants every day. Let's learn. We must keep our nature clean. I must water plants. We must plant trees. We mustn't throw rubbish on the ground. We mustn't cut down trees. Complete the following sentence. The environment is very important. We must keep our nature clean. We must water plants. We mustn't cut down trees. I mustn't throw rubbish on the ground. Emir, what kind of project do you do? The environment list. Environmentalist. I do a project on plants. Amir, what do plants need to grow? The environmentalist. They need water, air, and light. Why should we protect trees? Because they provide us by oxygen. Emar, nature activities. Look at this picture and talk about them. We have many kinds of green plants. They give us oxygen. We have many kinds of birds. They covered with feathers. We have many kinds of insects. They are very small. We have many kinds of animals. Some of them live in the farm. Ask and answer. Anas, what are you doing? Better. I'm looking after the plants. Anas, great. What do plants need to grow? Better. Plants need to grow air, light, water, and good soil. Anas, what do plants and trees give us? Better. Trees and plants give us oxygen to breathe. Anas, how can we protect our nature? Better. We mustn't throw rubbish on the ground. Anas, can I water the plant, please? Better. Of course you can do it.
All living things need water and air to live. Water plays an important role in our life. Water is necessary for drinking, cooking, washing, and growing food. Most fresh water is in the form of ice. Plants need water to live. Rain is the main source of fresh water. Air is everywhere. We can't see it, but we can feel it. Oxygen in the air is important for breathing. All creatures need air and water to live.
All living things need water and air to live. Water plays an important role in our life. Water is necessary for drinking, cooking, washing, and growing food. Most fresh water is in the form of ice. Plants need water to live. Rain is the main source of fresh water. Air is everywhere. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Oxygen in the air is important for breathing. All creatures need air and water to live. Choose the correct answer. All living things need water to stay alive. Most fresh water is in the form of ice. The main source of fresh water is rain. We need oxygen for breathing. Read again and find words that mean the following: a place from which something comes, source. Very important, necessary. Taking air in and out, breathing. Living things, creatures.
Listen and write true or false.
1. Field. You can see sheep in the field. 2. Sky. The sky is clear. 3. The sun. The sun is shining brightly. 4. I see the moon and stars at night in the sky.
Listen and fill in the spaces.
I love the mountain. I love the river. I love the cloud up in the sky. Flowers and trees are loved by the bees. Flowers and trees are loved by the bees. I love the mountain. I love the river. I love the cloud up in the sky. Birds love the butterflies, and butterflies love the sky.
All in the spaces. The environment consists of air, water, and plants. We are a part of this environment. We mustn't throw rubbish on the ground. We must water plants every day. Choose the correct answer between brackets. You mustn't be late for your school bus. We must protect animals. People mustn't cut down trees. Students must help to save the environment. Write the 3 sentences about water. Water is very important to living things. We must water plants. We mustn't throw rubbish in water. Finish the story. One day I went with my friend to the park. We walked between the trees and everything was great. We met some children playing on the grass and throwing rubbish on the ground. So we cleaned the ground, put rubbish in bins not on the ground, and tell children to don't do that again to protect our environment. The end.